Nikki T of AskMeWhat's.com, and I have been a beauty blogger for 10 years. I'm also a professional makeup artist on the side, a PR consultant, and makeup trainer. So as you can see, I'm a very busy person and I have a lot of questions asked to me by my readers every single day. And one of the best questions that I would say is that, Nikki, what's the best makeup look to keep me fresh all day? Like that works from day to night and less retouching is needed. So I know a lot of you probably would answer that you need a lot of makeup. Actually, no, you don't need to put a lot of makeup. You just need to apply the right products on your face, then you're good to go. So today, I will be sharing you a wonderful tutorial for all busy women out there. So watch out for it. So are you ready with the tutorial? So let's start. First, you need to apply moisturizer on your face. In applying moisturizer, you have to make sure that you start application on the areas of your face that is the most dry. In my case, it's the center of my face, the cheeks. And don't forget to pat. Of course, do not forget the neck as well. Wait and leave for a couple of minutes. For everyday look, I prefer to apply sunblock. As you all know, sunblock is the best anti-aging product. So it's my secret. Now it's not a secret anymore. So I'll be using sunblock, and it's best to apply in the palm of your hand and gently massage the product and apply all over your face. Again guys, I'm using dabbing motion because every time you massage your face, you are exfoliating your skin. That said, your skin will get dry and it's gonna be difficult to apply your foundation or your BB cream or CC cream. You guys, every time you apply sunblock, do not forget the sides of your nose because that's the area that tends to red or tends to get dark. So let's try not to have that. After applying moisturizer and sunscreen, if you have dry skin, just let it stay for a couple of minutes and let the moisture seep into your skin so that it will be hydrated all day long. But if you have very oily skin, this is another tip for you. Use a clean tissue and gently dab off excess moisture or hydration. This will keep you fresh looking all day, minus the grease. And of course, don't forget the lid area because we will be applying eyeshadow later on. So now the most happiest and important part is color correcting. So with Cathy Doll, there is a CC series called Color Correct. First, we'll start with, there are 2 shades and I'll be using 2 shades just to show you guys how to use it. First, they have the light beige and they also have the green. I already told you early on true swatches on how to use such shade. So, as for my skin, I have a lot of redness. That's my skin issue. And I will be using the CC Cream Speed White in shade number 2, which is green. Apply some on your hand and gently massage the product. And look in the mirror and check on the areas of your face that is most red. That is on my cheek area and sides of the nose. I'll be doing half face first for you to see the result. Again, it's very important to do dabbing motion as not to exfoliate your skin further. My chin area also has some acne marks or spots. You can also use that. Also on the forehead and above the brows. Now, don't be scared if it looks a bit light green on your face. Later on, it will correct itself and settle down. So you don't have to worry, just relax. So now you can see the half face. This There's still red spots on the sides of the nose and also some acne marks, while on this side, my face is brightened and the redness disappears. So now let's use the shade 01, which is light beige. Light beige is a perfect shade to use if you want to highlight the special features of your face. So where is the best feature to highlight? Nobody knows except you. So first, you have to look in the mirror and check on the areas of your face that you want to highlight. As for me, I like my nose to appear narrower, so I'll apply light beige on the tip of my nose, just like so, and gently blend. As you can see, medyo may nose line na ako. And then also on the forehead area. Again, dabbing motion so you won't rub off the moisturizer and the sunblock that you applied early on. And probably the highest point of my cheek. And the chin. Now here's to prove you that just using a couple of products would make a huge difference. I don't feel like I have anything on my face right now, but look, this is half face. Without product and with product. So how does it look? So now I'll finish the other half of my makeup and I'll get back to you for the full face makeup look. So now let's continue in doing fresh looking makeup from day to night without much retouching. Are you ready? So let's start by doing the brows. I love to do the brows first because I get inspired with the eyeshadow that I will use after looking at how good my brows are. So I'll be using a brow pencil because it's quicker, easier. So when doing eyebrows, let's start from the center of your brows and gently fill in the pencil in short hair-like strokes. Fill in the gaps. As you can see, I don't have a lot of pressure, but there's a lot of pigment transferring from the pencil to my brows. So now I'm done with the brows and let's continue with eyeshadow. When it comes to eyeshadow application, you don't have to make it complicated. You can just use a very simple eyeshadow look that will make your eyes appear deep and maybe more defined. So as for me, I like to use an eyeshadow shade that's a bit taupe and cool tone. So this shade is perfect to contour your eyelid area. So I'll show you how. Apply just a few amount and look like this in front of the mirror and gently blend. And guess what? This same eyeshadow shade can also be used to contour your nose. So some people wonder, why do we need to contour our face or nose and it's just a daytime makeup? For me, it's optional, but I personally love it because, you know, it's a selfie nation. So anytime you need to take photos of yourself, or you need to Instagram, or you need to post or update on Facebook, at least you're always camera ready. So now we're done and we can add maybe another eyeshadow shade that's a bit lighter than my skin tone to probably brighten up my eyes. So I'll pick a shimmery champagne shade and apply at the center of your lid. So another tip for you to make your eyes appear larger. By the way, if you have large eyes, you don't need to do this. But because my eyes are quite small by nature, whatever shadow you applied on top, you also applied at the bottom. So the same color, same product. Since I like this eyeshadow look to last till nighttime, I will apply a third color. Again, it's optional. You don't have to do this. But because I'm a makeup artist, I want it complicated. So I'll pick a dark shade and apply on the outer V of the eyelid. Just a few amount. it is normal when you apply eyeshadow that there will be a lot of fallout. Do not stress. Just grab a big brush like this and gently brush off excess pigment. Now let's continue with eyeliner. That's my favorite part when it comes to eye makeup. So I'll grab a gel liner. You can pick maybe liquid liner or pencil liner. It's your choice. But I love the gel liner because it stays longer and it enhances your eyes in a supernatural way. So now you have some gel liner on the brush. It's very important to pull a bit your eyelid like this and apply the product very, very close to your lash line. So I'm done with the upper lash line. Now, I have another tip for the eyeliner to stay longer until nighttime. Whatever's left on your brush, use this and apply on the lower lash line. Just gently. I like using gel liner on the lower lash line instead of pencil because no matter how much I blink or how many times I cry if I watch Korean novella, it won't budge. Lastly, for the eyes, we'll do mascara. So now let's go to the last step of eye makeup, mascara application. But first, you have to curl your lashes with eyelash curler. When it comes to mascara application, it's very important that you curl your lashes to make your lashes appear uplift. Grab your favorite mascara and apply starting from the bottom of your lashes, then wiggling upwards. So after doing your eye makeup, some of you would like to set your makeup with a face powder. As for me, I'd like my blush to stay longer, so I will be using cushion blush. Cushion blush must be applied on top of any cream or liquid base makeup before you set it with powder. Apply with dabbing motion as not to move your base makeup. Done with the blush, so now let's set our makeup with Speed White CC Powder Pack. So there are actually two shades. Number 21 is light beige and number 23 is natural beige. So this is light beige and this is natural beige. I am actually a natural beige, so this is going to be my base makeup. Using a big fluffy brush, set the area that oils up the most. So that is my T-zone. Under eye area to set the concealer or whatever you applied early on. And lastly, don't forget the lip product. So since I applied a peach-colored blush, I'll be using a peach-colored lip blur. Apply some at the back of your hand. And gently dab with fingertip and apply at the center of your lip. So now we're done with the fresh makeup look that works from day till night. It will stay all day, I promise you, and all you need to do is just a bit of retouch. So I hope you learned something from me and have a great day.